Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of constant rates of change. This is standard 7.4a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 14 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a student in foreign language program, and the relationship here is 15 new words each week. So for every 1 week, you're going to get 15 new words. We simply need to find the best graph for it. So the relationship is here between x. So x is the number of weeks, all right, that each student has been in the program. All right, so let's just make our own little basic table here. So we're going to start with the only thing we know, 1 week, that's x, and y, total number of new words. So y is the words, so I'll just put weeks and words. And we know that for 1 week, you get 15 words. So we can find that pattern. Looks like we're going to multiply our weeks times 15. All right, so we can add 15 and 15 if we don't want to skip, or we can multiply across, right? Or we can just take our words from the previous week and just add another 15. Either way, we're going to get this basic pattern here. Let's add one more. There we go. That's going to be 60. All right, so that's our constant rate of change is 15. And let's just see what we have here starting with f. So f, we'll do our little xy right here. We'll see which one matches. So it crosses the 1, looks, yeah, that could be a 15. It's kind of tough because it's between the 10 and the 20. My 2 definitely crosses right there at the 30. So looking good so far. Let's check our 3. Looks like it crosses between the 40 and the 50. All right, so I'm going to say that looks pretty good. All right, let's check this 4 real quick. 60. All right, yeah. So f is looking pretty good. It looks like it hit everything we needed to. Let's see what is wrong. If anything is wrong, I'll start it up a little bit higher here. Let's see what's wrong with g. Ooh, 1. Oh, it looks like 1 goes all the way up to 60. So that is a much different constant. My constant here is 15, right? My rule is to multiply by 15. It looks like what I'm doing here is to multiply by 60. So 2 is off the chart. It's not even on the chart. It looks like it would hit somewhere up here, and I'm assuming it would end up being 120 if that pattern holds, which makes sense because your half, your 0.5 hits right there at 30. So that is way too steep. Not going to work. Let's check our h, x, y. So, I mean, it's just a little bit shallower. It's actually a lot cleaner, right? 1 for 10, 2 for 20, 3 for 30. So it's easier to read because it's not necessarily on any of these in-betweens. It's just the wrong constant. We're multiplying by 10 here. We needed to be multiplying by 15. So it's not g, it's not h. Let's see what's happening with j. J looks like it's definitely not going to be high enough. So I've got my x of 1. I don't even know what that y is. That's way too low. Let's see where it looks like it crosses right between 4 and 5. Looks like it's like 4.5. Really, is where it looks like it crosses that 10. So I'm going to say that y of 1 is going to be an x of 4.5. And then, yeah, maybe that x of 9 gets you y of 20. That's just weird. All right, our answer is F.